when you try to do a video like 20 times and you don't know what else to say or what words combination to put together.
What are you doing?
Keep on watching. Again,
I meant for your
21 million times. How you doing, my beautiful Jays? Welcome back to my home. Mi casa es tu casa, and we all know that by now. So today I have a video, and it's a BoxyCharm unboxing for the month of April. So if you are interested to know what I received, stay watching and you know the rest of the deal. But before I start showing you what I received in this box, I must say that I took a peek, because if you saw my last video, you know that I complained the BoxyCharm in my last two boxes weren't putting the little cards with the information and the prices of the products that came in each box that I received. So I don't know if they saw my video. I don't know if somebody spread the word. I don't know how the information got to them. But BoxyCharm, thank you, because I really was looking forward for this. So being that said, let's just jump into the video, guys. So the box looks like this. Very nice products. And for any information that you need to know about BoxyCharm, I will place it in the description box below. So let's just start. No, I'm going to start with this. This is the Maidani foundation sponges. And this is a full size and a mini size, and this is from the brand Hank and Harry, and they look like this. I like that neon color. Then you have this little tiny sponge right here. All right, let me see, right there, that's the color. So it have this one, not yellow, the one before, but it looks like this, and I'm guessing this is for like this little areas under your eyes, right here, and like right here, because it's really tiny. And again, I don't know so much about the sponges because I don't use them, but I'm looking forward to use these. They're kind of cool. And they have like a owl shape in here. I wish I can bring it closer to you guys. There you go. Look how pretty that is. So again, this big shape, and I'm guessing this is for your, I mean, I'm not guessing. I know this gotta be for like your whole face, but that's that. And we are going to look at the price. All right, so this one is like a folded postcard. So this is the Hank and Henry Midori Beauty Sponge Bundle, and this is worth $20, guys. It says this beauty sponge is especially designed to be versatile all over sponges for liquid and cream application. They can be used wet for a sheer application or dry for a fuller coverage. So that's interesting. And again, the full price of this is $20. So hey, very nice. That's almost covers the price of the box. The next thing I'm going to pull out is beautiful brushes, and this is from the brand Lavish, and we are just going to take a look. Oh, this is pretty. I'm gonna have to hide these from my daughter. Yes, every time I buy brushes, my daughter gets her hands on them, and boy, they are gone. Okay, so they come in this little pouch to keep them, you know. You have this one right here, and does it have any? So this is your fine liner pencil. It has that beautiful neon yellow. Then you have the spoolie over here and the eyebrow down here brush. And this is the brow, it says brow groomer. Then you have this beautiful blue, and this one is called the eye shading. Very nice. And then this one's called taper blending. This is a blending brush. Very nice, in the hot pink, kind of lavender pink. And then you have this nice orange one, and this one just says pencil. So yeah. And you have 5 of them in this little package. This is very pretty, very nice. You can take them with you if you're traveling. So let's just jump into the information for this one. And again, this is from Lavish. It's 5-piece neon eye brush collection. And it says a must-have all-in-one cruelty-free. That's a good brush collection that includes essential eye brushes you'll need to achieve an everyday or more dramatic look. The fact that this is cruelty-free is very nice. This is $29. So this product right here overpassed the price of the box that you supposed to pay monthly. So very nice. The next product that I have here, I'm loving the fact that they're sending lipsticks, because I like lip glosses and lipstick. But this is from Iconic London. It doesn't have no information, but it looks like this. And oh my god, it smells good. I cannot explain, but it looks like that. Just a lip gloss. And this one is an Iconic London Plumping Lip Gloss. Let me just rephrase that. The ultimate combo of non-sticky gloss and plumping power. The high shine formula is infused with a biomimetic peptide, which helps to support natural collagen's production for more defined and voluminous looking lips. So that is nice to know. And again, this price right here is this item right here is $26. So this is just $1 more of the price that you pay for your monthly box, which is $25 if you haven't catch it. So let's go to the next one. This is interesting. This is the Professional Pore Primer. Nice. And it says smoothing face primer to minimize the look of pores. Benefit, that's the brand. And it looks like this. Very cute box. And it has something right here. Let me open it. Oh, cool. It says target pores, target fine lines, targets makeup, meltdown. And it says perfection accomplished. What else it says? It's your secret weapon against pores. I read the rest, and then it's kind of cute. I like what they have. The packaging is kind of cute. So we're just going to open. I hate to break it. Oh, I didn't break it. So this is how it looks. And I'm just guessing this. It looks very. I'm gonna open it because I'm dark skinned, so I don't know what's the shade. So just look at it. Take that out. Oh, okay, so it's that color. Ooh, it feels nice. It's smooth, very nice. And it's colorless. Even though when you pour it out, it looks kind of like a new color, tan type of color. Light tan, but it's nice. And I do believe it's kind of like a matte. It gives you like a matte finish look. I don't know if you guys can tell. That's my hand. This is how it left it with the primer. So, sorry. And it smells nice. It does smell. It smells like kind of like powder. So this is interesting. So let's find out the price of this. Again, this is the Benefit Cosmetic, the Professional Face Primer. It says quickly minimize the appearance of pores and fine lines for smoother than smooth skin. Apply this slicky, lightweight balm along under or over makeup. So that's good. You can put it under or over makeup. It says the translucent formula contains A, vitamin E, and some word that I cannot pronounce. And it says not to protect skin from free radicals. And this is $32. 32 bucks. Do you feel me? 32 bucks. Full sizes for $25 a month. Guys, and this is like the bam, 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 bam of the whole box. I'm in love with the fact that I have an eyeshadow palette. Let's just talk about this eyeshadow palette. I just love the packaging. That brown with that gold is very nice. Oh my god. So we are just gonna, this one don't have a mirror, so that's cool. No mirror effect here. But these are the colors, and we are going to swatch it. Now the colors are, wow, I can't even read them, guys. All right, so this one is called Warm Notes right here. So we're gonna swatch this nice purple one. Wow, that is very pigmented. Then we're gonna swatch this one right here, which is Permanently Toasted, and this is like a matte color. And wow, very, very pigmented. And then I'm going to swatch this one that says Infusion. This color right here. It's kind of like a dark chocolate color with some gold tone in it. And it's like that. And I'm going to swatch it right here. Oh, look at that, guys. Wow, nice. So we are going to talk about the price of this. And this is the Cocoa. It's from Sakwa. It's called Cocoa Blend. But this is Siova. Eyeshadow palette. And the Siova eyeshadow palette offers a range of high pigmented and easy to blend eyeshadow shades in tempting hues for ultra glamorous makeup look. The formulation of the eyeshadow is enriched with vitamin E. And guess what? This is 29 bucks. And no, 28 bucks. I'm sorry, 28 bucks. So, yes. And guys, very pigmented. I just want to show you something. See, I just touched the thing and my God. And then it gives me in the back this little thing right here. And this is the stuff they come in the Lost Box and the Bossy pop-up and some perks. So that's all for that. And then I got a bye-bye makeup wipe forever 1.3 billion. What's this? Oh, something about the emission. And just a card with some info. But that was my BoxyCharm unboxing. Again, I got this eyeshadow palette. I got this beautiful primer right here. Then I have this lip gloss right here. Pumping lip gloss. I have the sponges. And I have the brushes. And if you ask me, this is the total combination for a basic startup cosmetic look or everyday look, or for somebody that just don't do makeup like I do. And this is all you need right now. So if you want to see me try this eyeshadow, or you want to see a look with all these products and how I handle them, comment below. Let me know. Maybe I'll come up with video doing this. Alright, so only if you comment and let me know that you want to see it, I will come back. So being that said, that is my BoxyCharm unboxing for April, which I am in love. And thank you again, BoxyCharm, for listening to me and sending me my little card to share the information with my viewers. And being that said, guys, thank you for watching. I love you. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.